Hello once again to everyone. So as you can see po sa ating title, I would like to share to you some of the perfumes that I would wear ngayon pong Bear Month. Sabi nga po nila, no, ilabas na natin yung mga pangmalakasan na yan. So ano po ba yung mga perfumes na yon that I prefer to wear ngayon pong extra na malamig ang season? So stay tuned po. Ayan, so again guys, ang gagawin po natin is I would like to share to you some of the perfumes that I would wear ngayon pong Bear Month. Ayan, so para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no, ako po ay nakatira sa Baguio City. Now, we know naman po sa Baguio City, most of the time malamig, no, as compared of course sa lowlands. Pero guys, ngayon po kasing Bear Month, starting po ng September, usually hanggang February, extra yung lamig. So sabi nga nila, ilabas na natin yung mga pangmalakasang perfumes natin. So anyway guys, before I share to you yung aking list, no, of course ang hirap talagang mamili, no, pero before we do that, siguro some things that you would want to consider in choosing your extra malamig, no, or perfumes that you would use during those season na mas malamig, no, as compared sa usual. So go for perfumes po na heavy yung base. What do I mean? Na yung perfumes na ang base ay Vanilla Absolute or Oud, Amber, Musk, Leather, Tonka Bean. Yan pong mga perfumes na yan, okay yan, no, kasi ano po ba yung kumbaga yung rationale, no, behind this? You would want perfumes that would cut through the air, no? Yung mga perfumes po na pwedeng mag-sustain sa buong day at least, or kahit po siguro 7 hours, no? Yan po mga perfumes na yan, yung hindi po sila madaling mawala, no, lalo po pag malamig yung environment. Some of or most of the freshies, yan po yung nagiging problema natin, no, kasi po dahil po yung kanilang basically yung build, no, nung perfume, halimbawa citruses and white florals, yan po minsan ay mabilis lang po mawala sa malamig or sa tag-ulan, no. So again, you would want to choose perfumes na okay po ang base, no, heavy base, no, at it would sustain you at least half day or even throughout the day. So anyway guys, no, before I share to you, yung 5 lang naman po ay share ko sa inyo, pero before we do that, again, sabi ko kanina, ang hirap mamili, no. So let me share to you some of my honorable mentions. So isa po dyan, this is Replica's Jazz Club, no. So of course, tobacco, may rum, no, may tonka bean. This perfume, most of the time, this is compared po sa D&G The One EDP. So meron din po ako noon. Pero siguro mas gusto ko yung scent profile nito. Dahil siguro doon sa prominent rum at saka tobacco. Of course, iba po yung, while it is true na may similarity sila ng The One EDP, no, pero siguro mas gusto ko, personal preference ko, mas gusto ko po yung direction ni Jazz Club, no, ng Replica. And hindi man po siya beast performer kasi I believe this was created to be an intimate scent, pero solid to sa malamig, no. So that's one. At ang isa pa po na special mention, this is Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac. I believe this is one of the underrated perfumes from Initio. Of course, ang lagi pong nabibigyan ng highlight dyan ay Side Effect or Atomic Rose, no, or yung Rehab, no. So okay yung mga yon, no, pero for me, this is also good. Initio Absolute Aphrodisiac kasi po this is vanilla, no, pero you would put musk in there, no, and meron pong animalic touches, no, kasi po may castoreum to. Of course, that's an animalic note, pero ito po, this is great, no, lalo po sa malamig, no. Hindi naman po siya loud, no, pero definitely may scent bubble ka dito sa Initio Absolute Aphrodisiac. Tapos yung isa pa po ay parating pa lang yung aking decant. This is Kilian's Angel Share, no. So Angel Share, may mga clones po yan sa community. Meron din po akong mga na-try dati at meron po ako dito. Pero basically ang Kilian's Angel Share, this is cognac or brandy, may praline, matamis po yan, may tonka bean. So dito po yung naglalaro sa mga notes na to. You would imagine that is cozy, no? Parang may cinnamon pa yun, no? So warm spicy, no? Napaka cozy na fragrance, hindi rin siya loud, no? Pero definitely mas pleasing for those who loves gourmand, for those who loves yung mga perfumes na matatamis, no? So Kilian's Angel Share. And ngayon po, let's go to the top 5 na akin pong gagamitin ngayong Bare Months. Ayan, so number 1, this is kilala na siguro natin to. This is Lattafa's Camera. So Camera, no, ito po ay own take ng Lattafa, sabi nila sa Angel Share, no? Pero po para sa akin, kung may similarity man sila, kasi ganoon naman po Lattafa eh, they are trying to make a twist, no, sa kanila pong kinuklone. So para po sa akin, in terms of performance, solid to, no? Mas maganda pong performance nito kesa sa Angel Share, no? So of course, they share the same notes, basically the cognac note, no? Of course, that's a boozy note, and may praline, no, may tonka bean, basically yung mga makikita mo rin sa Angel Share. Pero po siguro ito may para siyang coconut vibes, no? Kaya po hindi po ito maganda for me sa mainit na Baguio, no? Of course, trinay ko na rin po ito sa mainit na Baguio. Still, this is cloying, this is very sweet, no? Pero guys, no, sa malamig, panalo ito. If you like the notes of coconut, no, if you like boozy notes, may tonka bean, no, yung mga notes na yon, this is Lattafa's Lattafa's Camera cloning Angel Share. Pero again, sabi ko sa inyo guys, for me personally, hindi po ito exact clone, hindi siya clone na matatawag kasi may own take siya. So anyway, this is Lattafa's Camera at number 5. At number 4, this is Paco Rabanne's 1 Million Privé. Basically po, cinnamon, dried cinnamon, no, may tobacco, may incense, may myrrh, no? So a great fragrance. Sadly, this is discontinued, pero para po sa akin sa malamig, solid ito, no? If you like those kinds of notes, no, like me, gusto nyo yung orientals, gusto nyo yung cinnamon, please do get 1 Million Privé by Paco Rabanne. Guys, solid ito, no? Hindi po siya nag-hype, pero para po sa mga nakatry na kasi nito, solid itong frag na ito. So this is 1 Million Privé by Paco Rabanne. I believe this is the best for me personally. Ito po yung pinakagusto ko from Paco Rabanne 1 Million line. So again, 1 Million Privé from Paco Rabanne. Tapos number 3, this is Emporio Armani's Stronger With You Intensely. Ayan, no? So hype ito sa community guys, no? Of course, a toffee, no, yung take ng vanilla, no? Alam po natin yung para po sa mga nakatry na yung take ng Emporio Armani sa vanilla, no, sa amber, sa tonka bean, solid, no? Pero ito may suede kasi ito sa base, no? So para po sa akin, this is one of the performing perfume talaga from Emporio Armani, no? Talagang solid ito. Kasi yung Stronger With You EDT, yun mas versatile yun, no? Matamis niyo pero mas versatile. Ito po for me mas maganda siya sa malamig. Kasi po pag sa mainit, for me cloying na to. So anyway guys, this is Emporio Armani's Stronger With You Intensely. Ayan, and number 2 would be, okay, so marami na nakaalam, no? This is my favorite. This is Azaro's Wanted by Night. Okay, so cinnamon, may incense, no, may tobacco, may dried fruits. Ang dami nangyari. This is for me your definition of, or your entrance, no, ng orientals, a very pleasant frag, not for all, no. Of course, yung kanya pong mga kapatid ay mas okay yun, no, mas versatile, mas pleasing sila, no. Pero this one is my favorite, no, at napaka solid po nito sa malamig. And guys, na-try ko na kasi ito sa mainit. While it is true na performing pa rin. Pero there are notes kasi, siguro, let me share to you shortly, no? Kasi may mga tanong po sa frog community, no, na pwede ba tong frog na to sa malamig at sa mainit? No, at may mga nakita akong comments, halimbawa po sa Wanted by Night, may mga nagsabi na okay naman yan sa mainit eh, huwag kang maniwala na hindi siya pwede sa mainit. Ito kasi guys while it is true na you can wear whatever perfume ang gusto mong isuot, pero for fragrance enthusiasts, no, para po sa akin, halimbawa, I like to smell yung development from top notes to middle notes to base notes. Ako po yung frog head na ganun. Meron pong mga notes na hindi ko ma-enjoy pag ginagamit ko to sa mainit. Halimbawa po, yung note ng benzoin, yung development po ng tobacco, hindi ko siya ma-enjoy sa mainit kasi parang nagkakat na yung tobacco and it goes forward to the benzoin. No, yung benzoin po kasi meron niyang parang leathery at rubbery smell. No, so pag mainit, imagine po yung amoy ng leather sa mainit, 'di ba? Hindi siya super pleasing. Mas maganda po ang leather sa malamig, no? So anyway, that's just my personal opinion, guys, no? That's just for me. No, ang advice ko lang po siguro sa inyo, encouragement ko sa inyo, there are perfumes na you would want to wear at certain occasions or seasons para mas ma-enjoy mo yung development, no? So anyway, that's my number 2. This is Azaros Wanted by Night. Okay, and by number 1, actually this is a recent discovery. This is a niche perfume. I have a decant here and ilalagay ko siya sa number 1 of those perfumes that I would prefer during Bear Month. So this is Sundowner by Tower. I have a decant here, no? Solid tong Sundowner. For me, this is one of the most realistic, no, na naamoy kong cinnamon in a perfume, no? And of course, meron siyang mga animalic touches, no? Pero basically this is cinnamon, may cacao, meron po siyang rum, no? Napaka-pleasant. Para siyang if you would try to imagine, no, para po sa mga nakapunta na sa Middle East, yung dates na fruit, no, yung smell nun, yung parang burnt na matamis na yun, no, na parang nilagyan mo ng syrup, ng cinnamon na syrup, parang ganun napakaganda po nito sa malamig. Okay din siya sa mainit, okay lang din, but again, my take tungkol dyan, there are perfumes na mas maganda po kung i-wear mo siya sa malamig. So this is my number 1 and fairly hard din po na hanapin siya ngayon. This is Tower Sundowner. So ayan guys, no, those are my top 5 and of course iba-iba po tayo ng top 5, no, at nasa iba-iba tayong settings, nasa iba-iba tayong lugar at body chemistry, pero ito po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. And guys, ano po ang top 5 ninyo ngayon pong Bear Months? Pa-share naman po guys, no? Ayun, so guys, if you find this interesting and helpful, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.